Hello audience, today I gonna show you how to change music length on Instagram story. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. At first, your Instagram. Now click on your story. Now select your photo. Now click your music icon. Now select your music. Now select your music second. Change your music second. Now select your choice music second. Okay, done. Okay, click done. By doing process, you can change music length on Instagram story.